Your pee-pee freeze up. Yeah, that's right. Go inside. This ain't over. This is only round one. You gonna wish you never met me. You might. Ah! Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
You having fun with that doggy? You know what your problem is? See, Demon's got it in his head he's the alpha dog. You gotta show him who's boss. Bite him in the ear.
I am not putting any part of that dog in my mouth.
Suit yourself. But any musher will tell you the same.
Oh, you're a musher?
Are you kidding? I'm the only man ever to win the Arctic Flame 3 years running.
Congratulations.
Yeah, well, it is kind of a strange award. Goes to the person who comes in last.
In Miami, 3-time losers go to prison.
Yeah.